Alright guys, today we're going to do a couple microwaves and we're going to see what we get out of them, okay?
Hola.
Oh, I have to be good. Jess is here.
They popped that stupid dinosaur, I swear.
Don't leave us.
What'd you say?
Tell her not to leave.
Jessica, don't leave. Get her wet. You should have expected it, Jessica.
Alright.
James, this way.
Is it hot in your place?
No, the water's hot.
That water's hot. They just get. God just.
She just got out of the shower and she got her.
No, I have 4 AC running.
Oh my god.
So
Yeah, we're in a
Oh,
tad
oh.
bit of a heat wave this week.
Oh. I'm gonna go buy one of those like rectangle fans for Lily's room. See if I can push that.
What you need is a huge industrial fan.
I was looking at it. Holy shit.
Now the way we do these actually go to our little motor bin
And do them later.
and do them later.
Yeah, those fans are expensive though.
I know, all I want is just a little circle one.
50. So yeah.
Where's my blue bucket?
Over there.
Okay.
I did have your dad's, but it blew up. It's outside if you want it. It
What is
don't-
it?
One of those big fans.
Is it broke?
Yeah, it don't work no more.
Yeah, will you take it?
I'll tell Jeremy. It was Jeremy's, but
He won't.
no. Yeah. I'll...
And then these go as steel.
One of the cats have been over here.
Yeah.
No, my bucket got spilt and they tipped it back. You want me to-
Dom, tell Dom to stop.
Dad, please stop! She's asking twice!
Okay, and these here, I always check them to see which one is copper and if one is aluminum. This one is copper. That one is aluminum. So this here will go to the motor bin. So I would say, we'll get some copper out of it. And I never take these out. I only take these small motors like this. See? Then this will go to the motor bin. It's a warm one today, guys. Ebony, where's my hammer?
Probably in the shed.
Take those so I don't break them and put them over there. There's that little funny welder's hammer. Thank you.
Put it down, James.
I use this hammer for everything. Okay, this. See, I don't mess with this. There's some kind of thing in there, but they got some great magnets, but we're not going to deal with that. So this goes to steel. Then you got this computer board. And I take these computer boards and I throw them in a barrel, and eventually this piece here will come off. Because you can get copper out of these. If you look right here, you can see the copper. So that can just go over there to the motor barrel, and this goes to the computer chip board. And this stuff here, I just throw in the wire barrel. That's up that way. Ebony, I need the other one. You doing okay? It's a hot one, ain't it? So we're almost done with this video, and we'll all go inside where it's cooler. Right there.
There goes my microwave. No, just kidding.
It's actually too hot to even eat. But we gotta cook dinner soon.
I'm not cooking.
We're having,
I don't have to cook it because the taco meat was already made.
oh, it's taco salad today.
I don't have to cook it. I don't want to cook.
I'm just gonna throw something in the microwave. I don't know, but that breeze.
Yeah, it does. All right, guys. Now we got a bigger one. All right. Another one of those little motors. Have any wire cutters out of the truck. Okay, in this one, we have a small motor. Okay, so what I normally do, take off as much plastic as you can.
I can't believe the bottom's warm.
And then this goes to the motor bed. Okay, in this one here, we got 2 circuit boards. Where'd Jess go?
She was talking to Candy about James's nosebleed.
His nosebleeds?
Yeah, it was bleeding. And how Dom's in leggings jumping in the pool on a hot day. And how yesterday they were going to Walmart, or the other day,
Yeah.
and she was trying to put on her winter coat in this heat wave.
Who, Dom?
Yeah.
Jesus.
And yesterday I was telling Jess, I said, freaking the boys,
Wire cutters.
they're on the microwave. The boys wearing freaking tennis shoes. I'm like, this hot. I try not to even wear my shoes in the summer.
See? Another computer board. We'll send that to the computer boards.
You're not even making them.
Nope.
Man, now I got a mess to clean. I think it's gonna rain soon. The bugs are attacking. Then why are these bugs bad over here? Sweat?
Smuggy. Alright, these here, we just throw these in our wire barrel. I have not made one time in there yet.
Yeah, neither barrel. Man. Are those always copper, or are they sometimes aluminum?
What?
Those.
These here are sometimes aluminum. Now we're going to check this one right now. We have one with aluminum coil and one with a copper coil.
Did you throw the aluminum one in the barrel?
Nope, it's over there. I have to separate the 2 metals. Okay, here we go. That is aluminum. Alright, this one here, they're both aluminum. So, that goes in that barrel.
They're the tiniest fly with the whitest wings. Aren't they the sweat fly?
Yeah. Alright, this mess here goes to the wire barrel. Missed it again.
I should literally edit this video, watch the whole thing, and count how many times you miss. I might do that. On your mark! On your mark!
There we go. And these
Get
here,
that?
they might have copper in them. I know this one does, and that is, but we'll check this stuff out later.
On your mark? Get
So,
that
but this goes over to that barrel. Missed it again.
Man.
Alright guys, that's it. Have a great day. Please hit the subscribe button. Bye.